Evening all. I'll just quickly show you our new purchase. It's a pedal lock for our van. There was a van stolen down the street the other night, and then a caravan stolen a few weeks ago as well on the same street. And it's not a bad area at all. It's nothing ever happens around here. So we think it's people coming over from Bradford way probably, and then targeting the area. Because yeah, some other stuff happened on the other side of the river as well, on the other side of town. So yeah, paranoid now about my van getting stolen, and although insurance will pay out, it's not going to pay for 6 months of labour that it took to do it. You know, we fall in love with this van now as well, so we really don't want to lose it. So we're just going to do everything we can now to stop that from happening. So yeah, I got this off eBay, a company called ATE Fabrication Welding, based in Barnsley. That's the information there. Really nice people. Rung them to see if I could try and collect it, but unfortunately they had to go out, so I couldn't go and collect it. But they did manage to get it next day to me, which was a bonus. Only had to worry for one night about no pedal lock on. But yeah, I'll just show you how it goes on. Just try and do this with one hand. You also get a couple of stickers that you can put in the window as well, which just basically say that it's got a pedal lock fitted. So that's good as well. Right. Can't get more light now, unfortunately. Right, so basically goes under there. Like that. Oh, stop focusing on my finger. That one goes on there like that. The lock just drops on top, in and out. And there you go. It's in place. Can't push it down to start it. Can't do anything. Can't move it in any other direction to try and force it. There we go. Yeah, this was $59.99. Got a £5 off on eBay, so it was 55 quid delivered. So yeah, it's a bargain for what it is. So yeah, there you go. It's just like that. That comes off. That comes off. So I've got a floor mat on, so it's just got caught on that. But yeah, there you go. Easy as that to take off and take on.